carry my name, you carry my fire. You're the spark that lifts me higher. When I see you run, when I hear you laugh, I see my shadow walk in a brand new path. You're your own soul, but still I see a reflection of all that lives in me. From my old dreams to my stubborn ways, you're writing your version every day. You came from me, but you're more than mine. You're a future I'm proud to stand behind. An echo of love, a voice set free. My sun, my strength, my legacy. I'll watch you rise, I'll let you be, but I'll always know you came from me. I see your courage, I feel your fight. You challenge wrong, you stand for right. And though you walk your own bold road, you carry pieces of my soul. You're not just my mirror, you're brand new. But I see my heart living in you. The way you care, the way you dream, the way you rise from anything. You came from me, but you're more than mine. You shine in ways I never could define. You're a storm, a light, a steady tree. My sun, my hope, my memory. I'll watch you grow, I'll let you be, but I'll always know you came from me. And one day you'll teach your own, carry the fire in a world unknown. But if you're ever lost or need to see, look inside, you'll still find me. From me, like the sea from rain, and I'd do it all over again. You're not just blood, you're part of my soul. You've made this broken man feel whole. Go live your truth, go and you be free. But don't forget, you came from me. You came from me. And I'm proud to see the man you're meant to be.